Right, welcome back to Ben's Life, and today I'm with Sam, and I've got a guest.
Hi guys, are you alright? So my name's on Instagram, it's Macaulay.
Cool, that's fine, man. So go check him out. He's been to the chapel the same as me. He's got some really good photos there, and he's also been to this like old, I can't say it, is it naturopathic hospital? Yeah, it's some sort of like care home basically, where they use herbal remedies to fix the ill. So if you go check out his Instagram, he's got some really good photos there, and he's got a few more explores. So from the looks of this place, it looks like it was kind of like a farmhouse, sort of outhouse. Because obviously you got the stone house here. I mean, we've also got some sort of like stables or something in here, and there's a fridge in there. Nothing much in here really, just like an old football and some bottles. I'll get some photos of in here because there isn't loads to see, but there is an old, oh my god, there are like 3 old baked bean tins and stuff. Okay, this is quite interesting. $1869 it was made.
I think that's.
Or is
that's Heinz.
Oh, that was the Heinz league.
Established 1869.
But yeah, we've got some like really old baked beans and stuff in this fridge.
What's that old?
Is this a Smeg fridge? Let's have a look.
Might be on the top of the door.
Nah, that's no Smeg. But that looks like some sort of like watering hole, I'm guessing. Because in stables they like have, like where the horses are kept, they have those sort of like base things where they put water in, but okay, so this circle thing I said on the floor that looked like a football, I got told it was actually a beehive. I'm such an idiot. But here it is. That's an old beehive apparently. Go. Budweiser can. What's that date? November 14th, 2022. They're quite recent. You got a really old school fireplace here. Got really old like wallpaper. Oh my god, you should see this. So it's got like old fruit as a wallpaper, black mould on the ceiling as well. That's damp, so I'm not going to be in here very long at all. Don't think I'm going to go upstairs because dampness on the floor is not good. Got a little cupboard, nothing in it. Love that. that fireplace there. It looks like owners have had fire in here. Burning some old newspapers. Yeah, upstairs floor has got a hole in as well. Definitely not going to go upstairs. Got some more Marmite House Mark 2. Or coffee jar. Tea bags. And this is like the wallpaper I'm on about. Let me turn the light down a little. There you go. Another old fireplace. Lampshade just hanging off the wall. That looks so sketchy. So yeah, McCauley was saying that, like, basically, this house would have been lovely if it was not trash and not, like, just broken, basically, now. It's a shadow of what it was. Like, it's not really been destroyed so much, it's more the weather has affected it the most. Yeah, it's just decay in the weather. I mean, this is in the middle of nowhere, so I can't imagine many people are going to come here and just smash it up. It's just like, of course, it's decay and just old. Shame though, would have been a nice house. So this was the kitchen, for sure. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, we can't really tell. That wasn't a kitchen either.
I call it dining room, kitchen,
Toilet.
bathroom, utility, lounge.
You can tell it's old as well because they've got like 2 fireplaces here. Guarantee there was one upstairs as well. But I don't know how old that is, but anyway, I'm gonna head out and just do like the grounds of this place. This will be a small video because we can't get upstairs really. The last floorboard, like, we had a look. The last floorboard that we tried to get up or have a look up, completely black of like damp mould, just grimness. So I ain't risking my life for that. But I don't think you want to either. No. So guys, go check out Macaulay Instagram, link in the description. Go check him out, please. He's a good guy. He's funny as well. I like. This is the first time that we've hanged, and it's been good. So go subscribe to him. Subscribe. Go follow him. That's what I meant. Go follow him on Instagram. get a lawnmower on this grass, do it up a bit. By a bit I mean a lot, especially with all the mould in the house, and then be a nice house, completely out of the way from everyone. Be perfect. Now inside there was this like old disabled like sort of toilet and shower, that's what I meant, old shower, so which leads me to believe that it might be like an old person who lived here at one point, passed away, house just, and never ended up going anywhere and was just left here. Really nice place, I like it. It almost reminds me of a French out in the countryside house. I've been to some I've stayed out in one of these like little chalets or something in France. Sort of reminds me of that a bit. Maybe it's just the weather, but yeah. Anyone in?
Don't think anyone's home.
Oh no! Try again.
Gone to the shops there.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. This is MTV, welcome to Ben's Life Crib. Let's come and have a look around.